As you said, today at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I arrived at this house in the north of Concepcion. A tornado that has left more than 100 families homeless, as is the case of Mr. Whitecha.
If it was a very scary moment, because we thought we were going to die. We were watching TV when we were how the whole house sounded and moved. We ran to the basement and they were able to feel like an effort collapsed from one moment to another.
Will no way talk to the uncle of the young man, Don Edward, how he lived that moment of so much fear.
Yes, we were sleeping when out of nowhere we heard a very loud sound. Then the house began to crush. Me and my uncle ran to the basement when everything happened. The next day we went out and the house was a no.
Um, a tragic news not about. From the north of Concepcion, Alejandro Bustos said goodbye to the microphone and the camera, Johnny scared.